Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I have an Amazon Bible haul, and this is actually the first box that I'm going to show you. There's a second box. So I'm actually in the middle of ordering Christmas presents. I do have 4 kids, so I try to get started before Thanksgiving every year. So in these boxes, there's also some Christmas presents for my girls, and so of course I didn't include that in the videos. But I got 2 Bibles and 2 packs of Bible tabs. These right here are the most beautiful Bible tabs I've ever seen. I love it because they are floral and sparkly and all different colors. They're beautiful. Though those black ones were actually free. It's just a sample to show you what else they offer. They did not send the whole set. So yeah, I did not order those. I ordered these beautiful floral ones. And if you want them, I will link them down below so that you guys can go check them out. They were on sale last week, but I don't think they're on sale anymore. And as far as the Bibles go, I've been wanting some more study Bibles. And I wanted an NASB translation. I haven't ever had one before. So I got this one and I'm really excited. I'm curious to know, what are your guys' favorite study Bibles? Do you prefer ones with cross references or footnotes, pictures, graphs? Like, what do you guys like? What, like, translation, I guess, also do you guys like as far as study Bibles go? I have a few journaling Bibles that I like to make notes in and color and things like that. And then I have, I think, 4 or 5, I'm not sure, study Bibles. So yeah, and they're all different translations. And then as far as the second Bible, you'll see it here in just a minute. I actually got that one just today. So this other box actually came in yesterday, and the one that I'm about to show you came in today. So I'm really excited. But it's an NIV study Bible, and it is massive. It's so heavy, and the cover is hardback, and it kind of feels like a denim material, but it is absolutely beautiful. And I think I forgot to show in the video that there are 2 bookmarks in it. Yeah, I forgot to show it in the video. So I'll show that soon though, whenever I'm in there studying and I make a video for you guys. I hope that you've enjoyed this video so far. If you don't mind, I would love it if you'd give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. I hope you have a great Bible study. And thanks again for watching. Bye.